Hi everyone, welcome to Living a Balanced Life. Welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to do a quick face mask that you can use when you're going grocery shopping or you're stepping out for a walk, just to help you feel a little bit comfortable with the coronavirus going around. So let's get started. There's no sewing involved, there's no fancy thing involved. You just need your socks and a pair of scissors, and that's it. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're going to do first is just get any clean socks or new socks if you have it. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold where the heel goes. You're going to fold there, hold it down, and you're going to fold it this way. Okay, so you fold it in half like so, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut right here, right? So because this socks is very long, I cut a little piece of it so it's a little bit shorter, so you can make a face mask that fits you. So if you have short little socks, that's better. If you have long socks, you can just chop the little bit of it like this. Okay, so then we're going to, so this is where the heel goes. You're going to fold that. Okay, fold this, and then you're going to cut the ends off. Okay, so you cut the end off, and then what you're going to do is we have this now. So once you cut the end off, then you're going to open it like this. So it's like you have a tiny mini little socks, and then you're going to cut this end. So you're not cutting the part that the heel goes, you're cutting this part of it open. And you try to cut it straight. Okay, so you cut this part open away from the heel, you fold it over like so, right? So what we're going to do is now we have to make the earpiece so you can put it on. So you have this, the open ends are one side, and then you're just going to slit a little bit, not through, just a little bit. Like so, right? And then you can open it up and see that you have this. So you have, this is gonna act as the earpiece. This is the mouth, and this will go over your face and under your chin. So, like so, and then you can put it on like that. If you wear makeup, let's say you're all dolled up and you wear makeup, you can put a tissue inside to block your makeup from making this dirty. Or if you have a little bit of a sniffle, so if you have the sniffles or you have makeup and you don't want to get you don't want to get the mask dirty, too dirty, then you can fold a tissue and put it inside. So it'll be like you open this up, so now this is your mask, and then you can put the tissue inside like so, where the one that's going to cover your mouth. You have it like this, and then you can put it over. So I'm going to show you how to put it on. So now you have your earpiece here, so you're going to put it on like so. It just stays. And then you have the extra flap, which you can just tuck it in. Okay. And then if you want, you can leave the piece, but I want to look stylish, so I'll push this in. So now you have your cute little mask that you can rewash and reuse. It's good for the environment, because you're not buying a bunch of masks and throwing it away, creating a bunch of garbage. It's not good for our environment. So you have your socks. It's washable, it's reusable, and you can get colorful fancy socks. Do whatever you want with them. Same thing. If you have kids, let them get their favorite socks. You can do cute little face masks with them. Nicely, I folded it in. And you have the flap here. So if you have extra, you can just tuck it underneath so it's nice and neat. And now you have a face mask that you can reuse. You can wash because it's soft. And remember, I have that tissue in, so if you're wearing lipstick or you have a little snuffles and you don't want that to go in, when you take up the mask, you take that and throw it away. So this way, you can go for your little walks, you can take the kids to appointments, and without worrying of catching the coronavirus. So if you have the sniffles and you're going out, protect yourself to protect others so you're not spreading the germs. So this is a quick project that I wish you can do. Try it, and if you have nice, colorful, beautiful socks, you can do that and use that if you like. But any socks works, right? Any small socks, if it's long, cut it like I said. So nicely, I folded it in, and you have the fluff here. So if you have extra, you can just tuck it underneath so it's nice and neat. And now you have a face mask that you can reuse. You can wash because it's socks. And then remember, I have that tissue in, so if you're wearing lipstick or you have a little snuffles and you don't want that to go in, when you take up the mask, you take that and throw it away. So this way, you can go for your little walks, you can take the kids to appointments, and without worrying of catching the coronavirus. So if you have the sniffles and you're going out, protect yourself to protect others so you're not spreading the germs. So this is a quick project that I wish you can do. Try it, and if you have nice, colorful, beautiful socks, you can do that and use that if you like. But any socks works, right? Any small socks, if it's long, cut it like I said. So when you're done with it,
remember your tissue is in here. So you take your tissue out and you toss it away, and this could be rewashed and you can use it. So that's the simple DIY project that you can do. You can do it with the kids, of course, be with them so they don't cut themselves with the scissors. And they all can pick up their favorite socks and make a face mask for it. Okay, remember, practice social distancing. So this is not your ticket to just go out there if you don't have to. But if you have to go out there for essential services like groceries and taking kids to appointment because they have to go to the appointment and those things, then you have something to protect you and the family, and without causing a lot of money. Everybody has socks and a pair of scissors. So till next time, try these DIY tips. Enjoy and stay safe so we can all get out of this coronavirus business. Take care. Bye.
Oh, Mommy, that's pretty.